Here are the general policies and guidelines of our school. So we will learn about from the tardiness and absences, use of gadgets and other things, subject area classes, and consultations. So first we have the tardiness and absences. You will be marked automatically late if you arrive after 15 minutes and marked as absent after the official starting time of your class. Please notify your advisor or your subject teacher ahead of time if you will be absent during our face-to-face classes. And for the online, if there is internet problem, make sure to notify your advisor or subject teachers via official group chat of your section, or you can chat your classmates so that they can chat your subject teacher or advisor. Then for your parents will be notified by your advisor if you are not in class. But please come on time. Okay? During our video conferences, please follow the general policies and guidelines and prescribed dress code. You are highly encouraged to open your cameras during classes, and of course, you need to provide your own microphone because it is a requirement. And you need to send a message to your teacher if you're going to the comfort room. Or you can actually raise your hand and then you can give a private message. And for the prescribed dress code, you need to wear your uniform. But if your uniform is not available, you can use white t-shirt or polo shirt. Use of gadgets and other things, you need to use only the gadgets that you are going to use for your online learning, not for your leisure. Stay focused and alert during class sessions. So you need to find a place where you can be comfortable without the noise. And make sure to recite once your name is called during classes because your recitation will be part of your performance task. For your subject area classes, you need to take note and calendar, assign tasks ahead of time. So you must also work on assigned tasks within the given period, and you need to submit your assigned tasks on time because not all of your subject teachers are lenient to give you chances. So you really need to pass your task ahead of time. Okay. Applications needed. You need to use your Wella account at all times. You can use Wella, Sillit LMS, Google Meet, Google Drive, WPS Office, or your Microsoft Word and your PowerPoint in order to submit all of your tasks. Other school guidelines, we have the following actions which are not allowed. Number one is vandalism. You are not allowed to write anything from your desk, your comfort room walls, or to the classroom walls. Okay? You must not bring or distribute any of the illegal drugs. You must not be part of the cyberbullying because we know cyberbullying is part of the cybercrime. And of course, you must not engage with the cyber sex. And these following actions are strictly prohibited. If you have done this kind of violations, it will be forwarded to the Office of the Student Affairs. And if a student is found guilty, this may be bound for suspension based on certain major offenses. So please refrain from doing this. Okay, that's it. Thank you for listening.